It doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's a huge nightmare for everybody involved. That's when a client's going through the loan process and they do some of the don'ts. Here are some of the to not do's while you're going through your loan process. You don't want to change your credit profile in any minor or major ways from the date of application to the time that you get your keys at closing. If you're visualizing that new furniture in the house, keep it in your head and not on your credit card. Don't make any additional changes to your credit whatsoever. If you're thinking about getting the extra 10% off at Kohl's, hold off on it for now. Don't make any job changes or any marital status changes. You guys just hang in there. I want to make sure that you're having a smooth and setback-free loan experience. And if you're looking to have some questions answered about the mortgage side of things, I would love to be your consultant. You can call me at 813-727-4021. I'll talk to you soon.